Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Renai Belser's property down here in Dallas, Georgia. Today we're going to be removing one of these damaged shingles on her front slope. She does have lots of wind damage, a couple tarps up here as well, but we don't believe her shingles are in a repairable condition. Here's an overview of the shingles before we get started. As you can see, here's the wind damaged shingle. Looks like we got some shingles that are loose, majority sealed down. See, that one's sealed, but just one little tug and it's unsealed. So I'm guessing that we got some sealant issues with these shingles. Like I said, this one half sealed right here, unsealed. So as you can see, some of them are still sealed, and like this one was, it's unsealed. We just unsealed that one. But I'm gonna let you guys follow along with me during this repair process. Like I said, here are the shingles before we start. I'll get you guys angled well so you guys can see all of the shingles involved in the repair, from this one all the way over to that one and up. Alrighty, guys. They said these things are just gonna pop off, I can already tell. Okay, let's get started. This thing's unsealed pretty fast. I almost said no nail right there. That rusted nail head blended in. No nail there. I'm guessing there's two up here. There is. They're pretty rusted out. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm pretty sure it's the last one right here. Guys, this should be the last one. It should just pop off. Looks like some of the matting came up on that. Alrighty, guys, we'll go ahead and put the new shingle in its place. Fucking bulls and resorts. That way. Alrighty, guys, need one more nail for right here. Just because I try to fill all these holes that were already there before. Now here's the new shingle put in its place, guys. Now, as you can see, it did sustain some damage at the point of contact or point of resistance from these shingles. We do have a lot of loose granules on here. So next windstorm, rain, it's gonna knock these off. I can kind of give you guys an example. Now, these shingles weren't affected by this repair right here. So like I said, there's loose granules over there, but I can rub my hands across these shingles very lightly And as you can tell, there are no loose granules coming off of these shingles. Now, like I said, next windstorm, any kind of inclement weather, it's gonna knock these loose granules off. Now I can do the same motion that I just did on those shingles, and you can see the difference all the way across the board. These shingles have creased, not only in the sides, in the middle is too. Like I said, that point of resistance, when I start to lift these shingles up, you can tell that there's less exposure here than right here. But a lot of these shingles now are damaged from this repair. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look. I appreciate you taking a look with me.